We're talking about a truck accident for this edition of The Law and You. Back with us are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, I understand you're really happy to be in the air conditioning of the studio with how hot it has been as of late.
I'm looking forward to winter at this point.
No.
It's brutal.
Yeah, I agree with Greg. Let's
Shame
see what
on
he
him.
needs. All right, let's get to our question today. And this one involves an accident from Kevin in Montrose. I was hit by a truck driver who we just found out had been arrested for drugs before he got hired. The delivery company is telling us that the driver was an independent contractor and they have no responsibility. Is this true? Does this company have any responsibility for this driver's previous history?
Kevin, that is not true. And whether the driver falls under the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations or any other regulation, a company, any company, has an obligation when they're hiring an independent contractor to make sure that they're hiring somebody that is safe and that is competent. And they have to be reasonable when they're doing that. Hiring somebody who is using narcotics, that's not reasonable. So this company is simply telling you that this guy's an independent contractor and they're just going to stand back and say we have no responsibility for him. That's not the law, but you're really going to need to get to an attorney that handles these types of cases because you're going to be in for the long haul here on a real fight on litigation.
Yeah, and Ed's right, but this is just a corporate. This is an irresponsible corporation, and we see a lot of those, and there's no place in the business world for irresponsible corporations. And when they hire drivers with prior records and drug histories and they're putting them behind the wheel, you have every right to hold that corporation and that driver accountable in a court of law, and that's exactly what you should do.
All right, for viewers who may find themselves in an accident, they're injured, they want some advice, how can they reach you guys?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And when you're hiring a driver like this, I mean, these are accidents waiting to happen. I mean, these companies know that, but these guys are cheap, and that's one of the main reasons that they're doing it. If you have another question about this, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
See you
Don't forget PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline. 2 ways to get a question